doesn't run. Don't look at what they are posting on TikTok. Don't let the peer pressure make you lose your mind. Wala ka buhlungu namhlanje, but listen to this beat. Kusasa lami, it's a personal journey for Bamingkolile mkwakeni, batinga kaiza. Ababoni mshini, ababoni designer drip. Babuza mina, upi ukrut mamu wako, upi soft life. Bangi ya fantani ya spanele future yami. Olantwana, don't let them stress your mind. Everything is perfectly aligned in due time. You see those are my panyaza, they wanna see you drop, but I hustle yet too, it's taking us straight to the top. Baya sheva monsanje, kota bazi play, I'ma give future, watch me say. They see the struggle now, wait for the dawn. Intlizio ya mivukile, a new energy is born. Forget the fake life, see a pambili. Sasalami, atuko. Ungasabi, kuyalunga. Sasalami, atuko. Forget the fake life, see a pambili. Sasalami. No need to sell your soul just for a quick trend. True blessings don't break, they don't bend. China isako yaki ozigile, watch who is a friend. We survive in this ghetto, it's not the end. Kusasa lami.